Hi, I'm Andy, and this is my video blog. Today is April 29th, 2014. Have you ever been to see a symphony, like an orchestra? They're pretty amazing, all these different instruments put together to make this wonderful music, these beautiful sounds that dance with one another and make for this explosion of beauty and power. Well, if you look outside at life, or if you look anywhere at life, it seems to me that life has many of the same qualities as an orchestra. Each living thing is an instrument giving its sound, giving its music, giving its specific energy to the whole of creation, to the orchestra itself. And all these sounds blend together to make life what it is, this amazing tapestry, this amazing, powerful creation, this wall of sound. And each and every one of you are a part of that. You have a unique sound, you have a unique vibration, a unique energy to give to this whole, this life. And without you, without your sound, it just wouldn't be the same. It wouldn't sound the same. So I want to take this opportunity to tell you that I am thankful for your sound.